In this video, we're making peanut butter cake, and it couldn't be easier, so come on the kitchen with me. We're going to start by measuring our dry ingredients, flour, sugar, soda, and salt. We'll give that a whisk and set it aside. Next, we're using a medium-sized saucepan to heat up water and butter together. We want to bring that to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we'll remove it from the heat and we'll add in our peanut butter and oil and whisk that in. The heat of that liquid is going to kind of melt the peanut butter. And once we've got that stirred in, we'll add our egg, continue to whisk, the buttermilk, and vanilla. Once we've got that all together, we will add in the dry ingredients and stir until combined. Once it's combined, it's ready to pour into our greased pan, and it's ready for the oven. Our cake is going to be in the oven, 350 degrees, for 20 to 25 minutes or until a wooden toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. While the cake's in the oven, we want to put the frosting together because the warm frosting is going to be poured right over the hot cake. We're going to start again at the stove with a saucepan. We're going to melt together butter, peanut butter, and buttermilk. Once that's all melted, brought to a little bit of a boil, then we'll remove it from the heat, add powdered sugar, half a cup at a time. That makes it easier to manage. And then we'll also add in the vanilla. And now we have a great frosting to go on our cake. Now, if it seems like it's a little bit too thick to pour on a hot cake, then you can add just a little bit more vanilla to loosen it up a bit. Once your cake is out, you can frost the cake by pouring on the frosting and gently spreading it around. Sprinkle chopped peanuts on the top and you've got a beautiful garnish on a delicious cake. See how easy this is? You've got to make this yourself.